In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zoom effect using Kapwing, a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool. Whether you want to zoom in to highlight a specific detail or pan out for a broader view, this effect can make a significant visual impact on your video projects. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to upload or import your video into Kapwing. If you haven't yet begun working on your project, you'll need to open Kapwing Studio and start a new project. You can do this by either uploading a video file directly from your computer or pasting a URL from an online source. Kapwing is quite flexible in this regard, accommodating various file types and sizes without much fuss. Once your video is in Kapwing Studio, you'll need to focus on the video layer you wish to edit. You can do this by clicking directly on your video clip, either on the canvas itself or in the timeline below. This step is crucial because it activates the video layer, allowing you to apply any effects and transformations you'd like. Now, direct your attention to the right sidebar where you'll find a tab labeled Animate, often nested under the broader category of Effects. This sidebar is your control center for adding dynamic changes to your video clip. So, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout, as it will offer numerous options to bring your vision to life. From the Animate or Effects options, you'll choose Moving Zoom. This particular effect is what enables the zoom functionality, allowing you to set it either to zoom in or out as per your creative requirement. If you need to highlight a particular detail, zooming in will help draw the viewer's eye and emphasize the focal point. Conversely, if you wish to give context or reveal more of the scene, opting to zoom out can significantly enhance the visual story you're crafting. And that sums up the process of adding and customizing a zoom effect using Kapwing. While we've covered the essential steps here, feel free to explore and experiment with the other options Kapwing offers to further enhance your video. Understanding and mastering these tools can truly elevate your content and make it stand out. And with this knowledge in hand, you're well on your way to creating compelling, visually dynamic videos. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.